actually just came back from Japan. I was on a 1-month tour there, and I want to tell a quick story. I'm not embarrassed about it, but I had an emergency surgery there. Severe cataract. Yes, I'm 62 now, so that thing happens. But anyway, right in the middle, I was in Sapporo. I woke up one morning and I was totally blind. So I just thought, I'll go through it, go through the rest of the tour with it. But then I started having this intense pain. So I had to check myself in when I was in Miyazaki to the hospital, and I had immediately they put me in, and within an hour I was doing the surgery. And I still remember when I was getting rolled in, the nurse told me, okay, in Japanese, she said, anytime you feel pain, raise your hand. I said, okay. So the surgeon comes in, he introduces himself, yoroshiku onegai shimasu, hi. And as soon as he started on me, I went. And he's looking at me like, what the hell are you doing? So the nurse had to explain, oh, I told him if he felt itai, to raise his hand. So anyway, but I'm doing good. The next day, was clear as a bell. I'm sure some of you folks had cataracts, right? You guys look like my age anyway, so. But here's a song that I actually wrote while I was up in Japan. It's on my latest CD. Quick story about this one. I was in Shinjuku. I had the day off, so I decided to go to the park, Shinjuku Aquarium, and had my obento, my little lunch, and I sat there. It was perfect. Sunny day, watching all the little keikis, all the little children running all over the place, laughing, eating ice cream, and to myself I thought, wow, what a perfect day. And that's what this song is called, Hela Kupono, a perfect day.